Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to store apples to extend their shelf life? Let's explore. Proper storage is key to maintaining apples' freshness and extending their shelf life. Start by selecting high-quality apples that are free from bruises and blemishes. Handle them carefully to avoid bruising, as damaged apples release ethylene gas, which speeds up ripening. The ideal storage environment for apples is cool and humid, with temperatures between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range slows down ripening and prevents spoilage. The humidity level should be around 90% to keep apples from drying out. A refrigerator is perfect for this, providing both cool temperature and humidity. If you have many apples, store them in a plastic bag with small holes to allow airflow, or use a perforated plastic bag. This helps maintain humidity while preventing excess moisture, which can cause mold. Another option is the crisper drawer in your refrigerator, designed to provide the right humidity for fruits and vegetables. For those lacking refrigerator space, a cool, dark place like a basement or cellar works well. Maintain a consistent cool temperature and avoid direct sunlight, which speeds up ripening. Use wooden crates or cardboard boxes lined with newspaper to regulate humidity and prevent bruising. Separate apples from other fruits and vegetables, as apples produce ethylene gas that can cause other produce to ripen and spoil faster. If stored together, use an ethylene gas absorber to minimize the impact. Regularly check stored apples for signs of spoilage, like soft spots or mold, and remove any spoiled ones immediately to prevent affecting others. To extend apples' shelf life, choose high-quality fruits and store them in a cool, humid environment. Use perforated plastic bags or crisper drawers, and keep apples separate from other produce. By following these tips, you can enjoy fresh, delicious apples longer. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.